Now we'll have a first closer look at our shapes perspectives. This will always be the main part in which you'll be working with your actual data. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. And also, as always, or most of the time, let's start by filling in some demo data so that we have something to play around with. This will only take a couple of seconds. And now it's already in. Let's delete the last unused line and let's take the first as the proper field names, and then let's make it bigger. And the first thing to watch out for, if you ever close your shape, don't be alarmed. Your data is still there. It's just that you did away with the configuration of your shape. But you can anytime create another shape, like over here, and then you will see it again. The first shape will take just the first table, and then in that the default configuration in the field list as you saw it before in the other videos. So your data is never lost. So now let's create maybe a bit more interesting shape, like moving quarter on top and person and project over here and rank out. And now we can, for example, do a duplication of a shape, and let's move that over here. It's important that the underlying data is of course always the same, but the configuration is a different one. It's a copy of the other shape. So when we change the configuration in the field list here, for example, this is independent of the other shape. And now we can close it and we will see that those are actually two different configured shapes. Let's make another one, and maybe because that will fit better on the screen, we will make it like this. Let's make it a bit less height, so let's move it like this, and then we bring those to the top. And now you can see those are the three different perspectives, three different shapes on the very same data. We can start editing here, for example, writing a 10, and you will see instantly where it will change as well. And it can be any other place depending on the layout that you have chosen for your respective shapes. You can even change the heading, so you can, for example, Q0 change to Q1, or vice versa, the other way around, or you can make it a Q5, which may look like a big change now on those two, but not so much on the more raw data if you watch over here. And you can of course change it back again, Q5 to Q1, and only this will be changed here. So there's lots of things you can do, but that's about the basic shapes perspectives, three different versions that you see here in the demo. And of course there's more to embrace, but that'll be another story.